Hey there! Welcome back to Sheet Leveler. If you've ever needed to analyze a large data set in Excel, you know how valuable statistics like average, median, mode, and standard deviation can be. But don't worry, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to calculate them, step by step. And trust me, once you learn these formulas, you'll save yourself so much time. For this example, we've got a spreadsheet with NBA player stats from the 2023 to 2024 season. There are 240 players, and we're going to calculate the average mean, points per game, the median, middle value, the mode, most common value, the standard deviation, how spread out the numbers are, and not just for points per game. We'll do this for age, free throw percentage, three-point percentage, and more. Sound good? Let's jump in. First up, let's find out the average age of these NBA players. Click on an empty cell where you want the result. Let's use D241. Now type this formula. Equals average, open parenthesis, D2:D240, close parenthesis. Instead of dragging to select all 240 rows, which would take forever, we simply type the range. Hit enter and Excel instantly calculates the mean age of these players. Easy, right? Now let's find the median age, the middle value in the dataset. In the next empty cell, type equals median, open parenthesis, D2:D240, close parenthesis. Press enter and boom, you've got the median age. Interesting note. The median and mean are very close in this case, meaning the ages are fairly balanced without extreme outliers. What if we want to know the most frequently occurring age among these players? Type this formula. Equals mode.sngl, open parenthesis, D2:D240, close parenthesis. Excel offers 3 different mode functions, but the .sngl, single mode, is the one we need. Press enter and just like that, we can see the most common age in our dataset. Now let's figure out the standard deviation, which tells us how spread out the ages are. Type this formula, equals stdev.s, open parenthesis, D2:D240, close parenthesis. Excel gives us different standard deviation formulas, but for a sample of data, we use stdev.s, S for sample. Hit enter, and there you go. You now know how much player ages vary from the average. All right, we've done all this work for just one column. But what if we want to calculate the same stats for games played, points per game, free throw percentage, and more? Here's the best trick. Instead of typing every formula again, we'll use autofill. Click on the cell with the formula, for example, D241, where we calculated the average. Look for the little green square in the bottom right corner of the cell. This is called the autofill handle. Click and drag it across to the right, covering all the other columns. Boom. Excel automatically fills in the formulas for every other category. Repeat this for median, mode, and standard deviation, and you're done. How cool is that? In just a few seconds, we've calculated all these important stats across multiple categories. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments. Have you used these formulas before? Which statistic do you find most useful? And if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more Excel tips and tricks.